Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar. Today I am here to continue passive voice. For a few days we have been discussing about passive voice. We have covered passive verb, present indefinite, present continuous and many others. Right? Today we will be discussing about passive voice of imperative sentence. Here comes a new type of passive voice, imperative sentence. At the very starting, I just want to tell you what is an imperative sentence. Sentence that starts with main verb. Sentence that starts with main verb and shows somewhere it is request, order, suggestion, warning and many other things. Right? I repeat, imperative sentence that starts with main verb shows somewhere it is request, command, order, warning and suggestion and many other things. Now we will be making passive voice of imperative sentences. For that, I just have noted down two structures. Right? Structure number 1, let plus object plus be plus main verb third form. It is the first formula. It is the first formula. And the second, you are requested or ordered or advised or forbidden or want plus 2 plus given sentence. So my dear students, there have been two structures. With the help of these we can easily make passive voice of imperative sentence. I hope you understand it. Now with the help of examples I'll be making you understand. So now let us move ahead. Please, first sentence. PL. Please help me. So my dear students, a very simple exam I have taken here to make you understand. Please, that means request. It is main verb and him, right? That is object. So, with the help of first passive voice, with the help of first structure, let him be helped. Let him be helped. Let him be helped by you. As in imperative sentence, our subject is hidden, that is you. Imperative sentence में हमारा जो subject होता है that is hidden, वो हमारा you होता है बेटा, right? Let him be helped by you. Now with the help of structure number 2. अब please है बेटा. Imperative sentence starts with please, that means request. You are requested. You are requested. You are requested to help him. So my dear students, very simple example I have taken here for making you understand, right? So with the help of both the structures, I have made you understand passive of imperative sentence. Let us move ahead and take some more examples. Do not make a noise. Do not make a noise in the class. Do not make a noise in the class. Now, passive voice. Instruction number 1. Let a noise not be made. Let a noise not be made. Let a noise not be made in the class. Let a noise not be made in the class. Now, number 2. You are forbidden to make You are forbidden to make a noise. You are forbidden to make a noise in the class. In the class. So, the first example of passive voice, I just have made it with the help of first structure, with the help of let formula. Let a noise not be made in the class. क्लास में शोर मत मचने दो. You are forbidden, तुम्हें मना किया जाता है. तुम्हें मना किया जाता है to make a noise in the class. क्लास में शोर मचाने के लिए. Right? Now, by one more way, we can make it. I just show you. Now, by third way, you are warned. W-A-R-N-E-D. You are warned not to. You are warned not to make a noise. In the class. So my dear students, there have been three ways I have made passive voice of this particular sentence. Right? Now let us move ahead. Do it at once. Do it at once. Now, passive voice. Let it be. Let it be done at once. Let it be done at once. right? Let it be done at once. Now number 2, you are ordered. You are ordered to do it at once. So one more example, my dear students, I have taken here for making you understand. Do it at once. That shows order. So by both the ways, by both the structures, I have made it into passive. Let it be done at once, right? Now second, you are ordered to do it at once. So my dear students, this was passive related to imperative sentences. I hope you must have understood. Thank you very much.